Hazrat Abu Usman has reported from Hazrat Abdurrahman radiyallahu anhu that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came along with his guest or guests and then went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the evening. When he returned, my mother said, "Tonight you delayed in serving your guest or guests." He asked, "Did not you serve them food?" She said, "We placed meal before him or them, but he or they refused." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu thereupon became displeased and started cursing and said that Abdurrahman's nose might get served and took an oath for not eating anything. "I hide away," he said, "O the reproached one." So the mother also took an oath for not eating meal until he ate. The guest or guests as well took an oath for not eating until he ate. Hazrat Abu Bakr said it was from the Satan. He then sent for food and ate it. So they also ate it. When they would take a morsel, the food would excessively increase underneath it. He then said, "O the sister of Banu Firas, what is it?" She replied, "By the coolness of my eyes, the food is more than what we sat down to consume." So all of them ate food and then sent it to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then said that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ate of it as well. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6141.